Amazon's SageMaker AI introduced major enhancements designed to help organizations train, tune, and host generative AI workloads more effectively. Today, we focus on what changed in observability, model customization, and model hosting. Teams now gain deeper visibility, safer deployments, simpler customization, and enterprise-ready networking, making it easier to scale AI responsibly. One of the biggest improvements is enhanced observability. Previously, teams saw only endpoint-level data. Now, SageMaker provides granular instance-level and container-level visibility across CPU, memory, GPU utilization, latency, throughput, and errors. Enhanced metrics allow teams to pinpoint exactly which instance or container is underperforming. You can configure metric publishing frequency, from near real-time to scheduled intervals, helping diagnose uneven traffic distribution or infrastructure bottlenecks quickly. These metrics integrate seamlessly with Amazon CloudWatch alarms and auto-scaling policies. That means teams can move from reactive monitoring to proactive performance management, reducing downtime and improving production reliability. SageMaker AI introduced rolling updates for inference components, transforming how model updates are deployed. Unlike traditional blue-green deployments, rolling updates eliminate the need to provision duplicate GPU-heavy infrastructure. For GPU-intensive workloads like large language models, duplicate fleets can be costly. Rolling updates deploy new versions in controlled batches while monitoring performance metrics. If issues arise, automatic rollback is triggered, ensuring deployment safety. Beyond observability and safety, SageMaker focused on usability. The goal: remove infrastructure complexity and accelerate time to value for AI teams. One major addition is serverless model customization. Traditionally, fine-tuning models could take months and require deep infrastructure expertise. Now, SageMaker automatically provisions the right compute resources based on model and dataset size. The platform supports advanced fine-tuning techniques, including RLVR and RLAIF. Teams can select approaches based on dataset quality, task complexity, and resource availability, without managing infrastructure manually. After customization, models can be deployed to Amazon Bedrock for serverless inference or SageMaker endpoints for controlled resource management. Built-in evaluation tools allow teams to compare customized models against base models before deployment. The serverless architecture operates on a pay-per-token model for both training and inference. This reduces upfront costs and allows organizations to scale usage dynamically. SageMaker AI also introduced bidirectional streaming. Instead of transactional request-response exchanges, this enables continuous conversations between users and models. With bidirectional streaming, speech and responses flow concurrently. Users see output as it's generated, and models maintain conversational context. Ideal for real-time voice and multimodal AI applications. SageMaker expanded enterprise connectivity. With comprehensive PrivateLink support and IPv6 compatibility, organizations can now maintain private connectivity without routing traffic through the public internet. These networking enhancements are critical for enterprises with strict compliance requirements. Dual-stack support allows organizations to transition from IPv4 to IPv6 at their own pace while maintaining secure AI infrastructure. Teams now gain better observability, safer deployment guardrails, streamlined workflows, and real-time inference capabilities, all within a secure enterprise framework. From granular performance metrics to serverless fine-tuning and real-time streaming, SageMaker AI focuses on reducing operational complexity while increasing reliability and scalability. These features are available now across supported regions. Whether you're fine-tuning domain-specific models or deploying real-time AI applications, SageMaker AI offers expanded capabilities to support your AI journey in 2026. Disclaimer: VenkatSoftware.com is a curated software discovery platform. We present reviews, official product information, and tech news. Though we cross-check all information, there could be mistakes in the data we present. So do your due diligence from official website and the respective team.